Allah hear me when I call him. I received a message from a guy. He said to me, I used to pray for you to be killed every day. And now I pray, I'm very thankful that you did not die. How I found that I was stupid to curse you. They pray for me. They pray for evil. They don't know I'm trying to help them. Look with me. This is your God. How God is almighty, but yet he have to go down. I feel sorry for your God. They are praying for destruction of Israel, and here we go. Look at your countries and look at Israel. Your God always hear you? Are you sure? Are you sure? Actually, even the hadith says clearly that Allah is deaf and he have a bad reception. If you go in the hadith, you will see the hadith says the following. Invite your friends, guys. If you are a Muslim, invite your 4 wives and 70 kids. Our Lord, the blessed and the exalted, descend every night to the lowest heaven when the third of the later part of the night is left, and he says, who supplicate to me so that I may answer him. What? Your God Allah, he come down every third part of the night? Why he need to go down? Allah, he cannot hear me? You just told me Allah, he hear me. And as long Allah will not hear me, unless he go to the third, he go down in the third part of the night to the lowest heaven. That's mean all the 5 prayer Muslim they pray, they are praying in the wrong time because Allah is not there. He cannot hear them. Where the prayer is gone? God, he have to wake up very early every night, and he have to come down just to hear who is supplicating for him. Why he cannot do it from his chair? Sorry guys, I have to go downstairs because here my reception is bad, so I cannot hear you here. Okay, I have to go 7 stairs downstairs, 7 stairs, because only my reception AT&T work only there. How this is God? Same time the Muslim they say to us, Allah is not inside his creation, but as you see, he is going inside his creation. Please let me know if there is any Abdul would like to call us. The funny in this article, they say that one of the things we like about is the character of the Prophet. We will go there.